Welcome back to my channel Civil Knowledge, my dear students. So today in this class, we are going to continue our problem which we had left. Okay. So in the last session, what we have done? We have done the excavation, okay, of our plan. Okay. If we consider this as our site, okay, we consider this as our site. What we have done? According to our plan, we have excavated the earth. We have dig out the earth according to the dimension of our trench. So we have dig out like this. So if we go to the site, you will get this view of the excavated earth. Okay. So this excavation is done. Now what we have to do after excavation, we need to fill it with CC bed, okay, or concrete bed with lime concrete they have given in this problem. Okay. So once we have done with the excavation, then we are filling it with lime concrete. Okay, how much we need to fill and what is the height of the lime concrete which we are filling and what is the width of the lime concrete, it is all given in the section. I will show you. Okay, so we are filling the lime concrete same way as we did in the excavation. The method of calculating the length will be same. So after this lime concrete has been done, then what, then we need to add then we need to add what, first class brickwork. After this lime concrete we have to put the first class brickwork till up to plinth, first footing, second footing, okay, whatever the footing they are mentioned in the section, we have to full with the, or we have to construct the first class brickwork up to plinth. After plinth, DPC should be done. Okay, dam proof course, that is 2.5 centimeter as given. After DPC, we have to construct the superstructure wall. Okay, 30 centimeter wall. How many means how much is the height, and 20 centimeter wall or veranda wall, how much is the height we need to calculate. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to fill with the lime concrete. Okay, so we will start our problem. So earthwork has been over. Second item is was lime concrete. Okay, so lime concrete. So, okay, before that, this is the plan. So how we divided this building? We divided this building into three portions, the four portions. That is, first one is drawing and bedroom. Second portion is this one. Third portion is front veranda. Fourth portion is back veranda with including the bath. Okay. So now we will see the section. See, this is the section. For 30 centimeter wall, the lime concrete, so this one is the lime concrete, see here, this one, only this part, CC bed. Okay, only this part, the CC bed. This is for 20 centimeter wall and this is for 30 centimeter wall, or it is main wall, it is the veranda wall. Okay, so now, so what is the height of the um, CC bed? That is 30 centimeter, keep it in mind. What is the height of the CC bed in a veranda wall? That is 20 centimeter. Okay, then after the lime concrete, what is there here? First footing is there. Okay, next second footing is there. Next plinth wall is there. Okay, up to here it is full plinth. So up to here it is second footing, and here the second footing level, what we can see, the second footing level, what we can see, wait, so at this level we can see this, correct? So level, what I am telling, at the level of main wall, that is at the first footing, at the first footing top and second footing bottom, at the level of second footing, at the level of second footing, concentrate here my dear students, at the level of second footing. Okay, our this one, the CC bed of the veranda wall will come. The CC bed of veranda wall will come at the which level? At the level of second footing of main wall. Okay, for this wall it is the level at the concrete bed. Okay, in the same way, when it is connecting to the main wall, this veranda wall, when it is connected to the main wall, it is connected at where? It is not connected here. Okay, because if it is to be connected here, we need to dig out more, but in the case we not have been dig out that much. For a 30 centimeter wall, the digging is different, and for earthwork excavation is different. What I mean, for 30 centimeter wall, excavation is up to 60 30. What was the 1 minute? What was the depth trench height? That is 1 meter. So for 30 centimeter wall, the trench is 1 meter. Okay, up from this ground level, it is 1 meter. And for 20 centimeter wall, it is 0.50 meter. Okay, keep this in mind. 0.50 meter, keep this in mind. Okay, so at a 50.50 meter, or at a 1 meter, the main wall trench is there. At a 0.50 meter, the veranda wall trench is there. So whenever this 20 centimeter wall connects the 30 centimeter wall, it is connecting at the level of this second footing, that is at a 50 centimeter width. At this 50 centimeter width, it is connecting. Okay, so why I am telling you this point, you will get to know further. Just remember, wherever the this level is equal to the second footing of the cross section of the main wall. Okay, this level is equal to the second footing of cross section of the main wall. Fine. Then what are the observation we can do? See here. Okay, so CC bed is what? 30 centimeter height, and here 60 centimeter is the width and 20 centimeter is the height. Okay, so with this, we are going to for this lime concrete. Okay, okay, lime concrete. Okay, so first, what we have seen here, first one, lime concrete. Okay, so lime concrete. So first, this one we will take. So first one, what is that? Bedroom and drawing room is the subheading. Under this, how many long walls and how many short walls? Okay, with the same tabular column, how many long walls? Two long walls are there. So what is the center to center length? That is 10.60. Okay, plus what is the width? What is the width of the CC bed? That is 90 centimeter. That is plus 0.9 by 2 plus 0.9 by 2. So when you do 10.6 plus 0.9 by 2 plus 0.9 by 2, you will get what? 11.50. Correct? In the same way, for the short wall, okay, what is the center to center length of the short wall? It was, we'll see, it was how much it was? 5.30, right? So 5.30 minus, so we have already added here. Now we are taking minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2. Okay, once this is done, we will get our answer, that is what? 4.40. Okay, let me erase it. Okay, so long wall it is 11.50, short wall it is 4.40. So what is the width? 0.9 meter. 0.9 meter. What is the height? That is 30 centimeters. So 0.30, 0.30. Okay, so multiply this all, you will get 6.21. Multiply this all, you will get 3.56. So that is the quantity for the drawing and left room, left bedroom side. Okay, at the same way, okay, same way we'll go for bedroom right side. So you keep it in mind, the height is 30 centimeter. Okay, and the section for veranda wall is 20 centimeter. Okay, I'll go to the plan drawing. So what we have done, so we have filled it with the lime concrete. This one is over, this one is over, this one is over, and this one is over. So we have filled out the lime concrete. Next comes our bedroom right side. Next comes our bedroom right side. Okay. In the bedroom, what is the long wall? It is, what is the center to center length? It is 9.60. Okay. 9.60. So what is the cross section width? That is zero point 0.9 only, because 30 centimeter wall is there. Okay. 0.9 meter only. So 9.60. What should happen? Here already it is filled. In this section it is already filled, that's why no need of here. Okay, plus 0.9 by 2, no need. Okay, because it is already done. No, so what we have to do minus 0.9 by 2 plus 0.9 by 2. So minus 0.9 by 2 because it is already done, plus 0.9 by 2 we have to do. That's why it is positive, and here it is negative because it's already done. If it is not there, then you can write plus only. Okay, if it is not there, we had to do fresh, means we have to keep it positive. But here, because it is already done, what we are doing is minus 0.9 by 2. So what is the into 9.60? So width is 0.9, height is 0.3, multiply, you will get 5.18. Similarly for short walls. Okay, for short walls, what was the center to center length? What was the center to center length? It is, so it is 4.80, right? So 4.80, 4 point, right, from this one. So 4.80 at both side. So when we do for long walls, what happens when we do for long walls? Okay, so now for long walls, this side is filled up and this side is filled up. Okay, now short wall is there, this side we have to do and this side we have to do. So 4.80 is the center to center length minus, so here also it is done, here also it is done. Okay, so minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2. Okay, minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2, because it already have been done here. So both minus 0.9 by 2, you can see here. Okay, it is 3.90, where it is 3.90. Okay, so 0.90 meter, zero point 0.3. Okay, so multiply, you'll get 2.11 as the quantity for filling that to concrete. Okay, so this one and this one. So this much filling is over. Now what we have to do, we have to take front long wall. Front long wall, this is the front long wall. So one front long wall is have been done, so no need to take that. So this remaining front wall we need to take, and this short wall we have to take. So front long wall, what was the center to center line? That is 9.65. Okay, so here we can see the junction. Okay, junction means this 20 centimeter wall is meeting, this 20 centimeter wall is meeting the 30 centimeter wall. Okay, at that level. Okay, at 9.65 minus, here we need to do minus, same way as in the bedroom. Okay, here we can't do minus 0.9 by 2. Okay, here we can't do minus 0.9 but it is wrong. What we have to do, at the level of 20 centimeter wall, at the level of 20 centimeter wall, what is the width of the main cross wall? It is 0.5 by 2, and this side we need to add, that is plus point by 2. So what I am telling is, here at the level of this 60 meter, at the level of this one, we are getting this one. Okay, at the level of this we are getting at this one. Okay, so it is, what happens means, 9.65 is the center to center length. It is going to connect with the 30 centimeter wall. When it is connecting, so which we should which level, which width we should minus? We have to minus the second footing width, that is 50 centimeter, that is 0.5 by 2. Okay, then we have to add this. Okay, zero point 0.6 by 2. So this is they have done. So length is 9.70. So what is the width of the trench in 20 centimeter wall? It is 60.6 meter. So what is the height? It is 20 centimeter. So 2.20 meter, multiply, add 1.16. Same way for the short wall. Okay, for the short wall, what it happens? So same way for the short wall. See here, for the short wall, what it happens? Here it is encountering the 30 centimeter wall. Here it is 20 centimeter wall. So 2.25 minus, so wherever 30 centimeter wall, we have to neglect this 0.5 by 2, and also here 20 centimeter wall, we have already added 60 by 2 in the long wall side, so we are neglecting 0.60 by 2. Okay, so that's why what it happens. So 2.25 minus this 30 centimeter wall, so 0.5 by 2. Okay, and also minus 0.6 by 2, you will get 1.70. So what is the width of the TC bed? That is 0.6. Height is 0.20. Multiply, you will get 0.0.2 is the quantity. Okay. In the same way for back veranda. Okay. So this is the back veranda, right? Okay. Back veranda wall including the bathroom. What is the long wall distance? That is same as the front wall distance. What was it? It is 9.65. Okay, minus, here same what I already told you, minus 0.5 by 2 plus 0.6 by 2, because it is long wall. If it is short wall, then what is the distance of short wall? That is 2.75 minus, so here 30 centimeter wall is there. Okay, so 0.5 by 2 minus 0.6 by 2 is for short wall, it is for long wall. So long wall length is 9.70, short wall length is 2.20, breadth is 0.6, height is 0.20. Multiply, you will get the quantity, that is total is 20.11 cubic meter is the quantity for lime concrete. Okay, the quantity for lime concrete. So lime concrete has been done. Now we have to do first class brickwork in foundation and plinth in 1:6 cement mortar. Okay, so same way the calculation will be same. Okay, just the levels are different. In that level we have to multiply with the specified width. Okay, so first one, drawing and bedroom we have to take. Okay, first footing. So first footing width, how much is the first footing width? So I'll show you here, I'll draw here. Okay, how much is the first footing width? Here first footing width is how much? So this is what the CC bed. So this is what the first footing. This is the second footing, and this is the plinth wall. Okay. After this, DPC will be there. So this is CC bed. Okay. So what is the height? That is, it is 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter height. After 20, again 20. Okay. After 20, again 20. Then for plinth, it is 60 plus 30. Okay. 60 plus 30 is the plinth. That is 60 plus 30 is 90. Okay. So this is 20 centimeter height. This is also 20 centimeter height. What about the width? So this second footing is 50. First footing is 60 and plinth wall is 40. This is the width. Okay. So by considering these values, we are going to do. And similarly for short walls. Okay. So similarly for short walls, that too for 20 centimeter wall, what we can write here only, I'll write, see here. This is for 20 centimeter wall. Here this one. So this is what the CC bed. So only one footing is there. This is how much it is. This is 40 centimeter and height is how much? Is 20 centimeter is the height. Okay. Then directly there is a plinth wall. Plinth is how much? 30 centimeter is the plinth wall. Okay. So what is the height of the plinth is 60 plus 10. 60 plus 10 is the height, that is 70. So plinth is 60 plus 10 up to ground level. Then this first footing is 40. Okay. So this is the arrangement they have done. Okay. Now we don't want this section because we have drawn the sectional properties. Will come here. So first footing, right? So first class brickwork. Okay. So drawing left hand bedroom side, we will write long walls first. We will take all the long walls. So first footing. So first footing. Only this you consider only this. Same way as we did in the starting. So long wall. What is the first footing? How much long walls are there? Two long walls are there. Okay. So what is the height? Height of the center to center height is what? 10.60. This is I am doing for first footing. Okay. So I'll write here. This is I am doing for. So I'm writing from the mouse. Okay. Try to understand. This is for first footing. Second, I'll write second footing. Then plinth up to wall. Okay. Now don't see the book. You will get confused. Okay. So for first footing, so what is the center to center length? That is 10.60. Center to center length is 10.60. Okay. For all the for second footing also same 10.60. For plinth also 10.60. Okay. Then we need to add the width of the foundation for first class brick. Okay. Plus plus. Okay. So what is the width of the section? First one here, first footing you see it is 60. Okay. So zero point 0.6 by 2 plus 0.6 by 2. You will get what? 11.20 as the length. Okay. Similarly for second footing, what is the width? It is 0.5 by 2 plus 0.5 by 2. This is your length for second footing. Okay, similarly for plinth, what is the width? That is 40. So 0.4 by 2 plus 0.4 by 2. Okay, so if we done this, you will get the length as 11.20, 11.10, and 11. So what is the width? 60, 50, and 40 centimeter. Okay, what is the height now? So first footing height is 20 centimeter, that is 0.20 meter. Second footing is 0.20 meter, and third footing is means plinth wall above footing is what? 0.90 meter. Multiply them, you will get this quantity 2.69, 2.22, and 7.92. Okay, this is for the long wall quantity. Now similarly for short walls. Similarly for short walls we have to do. So what is the center to center length of short walls? We need to consider. Okay, what is the center to center length? That is 5.30, 5.30 and 5.30. Same now according to length here. So either of writing zero point 0.6 by 2 minus zero point 0.6 by 2 two times, I will write only 0.6 minus 0.5 minus zero point 0.4. For the short walls we have to subtract, right, as per the rules. So zero point 0.6 by 2, zero point 0.6 minus 0.6 by 2 minus zero point 0.6 by 2, so we will get as 4.70. Next, minus 0.5, 4.80. Next, minus 4, that is 4.90. So what is the height? That is 20, 20 and 90, 20, 20 and 90. So multiply them, you will get the quantities like this: 1.69, 1.44 and 5.29 as the quantity for first class brickwork, only for drawing and left side bedroom. Okay. Similarly, same concept for this one. Now the bedroom is constructed. Now the wall up, the footing, the plinth level is constructed for this much the plinth level is constructed. Now we have to do this second two bedroom right side. Fine. Two bedroom right side. Okay, same two bedroom right side we have to give the what, the heading we have to give for two bedroom right side. Okay, I'll rub this. Two bedroom right side. So then long walls. So what is the long walls? First footing. So what is the center to center distance is what? 9.60. Here already it is done. So we have to neglect minus zero point 0.6 by 2. Why minus zero point 0.6 by 2? It is width. Width of the first footing is minus zero point 0.6 by 2 plus zero point 0.6 by 2. Okay, similarly here minus zero point 0.5 by 2 plus zero point 0.5 by 2, here only they have given, see, minus 40 by 2 plus 40 by 2. So this is the for bedroom right side. First footing is how much? 9.60 minus zero point 0.6 by 2, because this side it is already been done, this side we need to add. Okay, so that is the concept which I am explaining you from the beginning. Okay, so once this is done, and for the short walls also, what is the shortfall distance? It is 4 4.80. See here, 4.80. So minus zero point 0.6 by 2 minus zero point 0.6 by 2. Similarly for second footing, minus zero point 0.5 by 2 minus zero point 0.5 by 2. Okay. Similarly for third footing, what happens? For plinth, 4.80 minus zero point 0.4 by 2 minus zero point 0.4 by 2, you can also write. So once we have subtracted the width from the center to center length, we will get the length as 4.20, 4.30, 4.44. So write the breadth. What is the height? 20, 20, 90. I already explained you. Okay, this is for 30 centimeter wall we are doing, and the quantity will get, so multiply, you will get the quantity. Okay, so now what is over? First class brickwork is over. Okay, first class brickwork is over for this one, and this one. Okay, remaining is front veranda and back veranda. That also we do by the same method. Okay, so front veranda wall footing, that is 9.65. So what is the center line length is 9.65 is the center line length. 9.65. Okay, so minus. So what is the, so this has been done right. So this is done and this is done. So 9.65. So at the level of 40, at the level of this first footing of the, at the level of first footing of the secondary wall. So I'll show you here at the level of this one, at the level of first footing of the cross section of the veranda. What is the level in the main cross section? Here is plinth wall. Okay, keep it in mind. At the first footing of the cross section of the veranda wall, okay, that the same level plinth will come in the main wall. Okay, that's why they have multiplied or they have subtracted minus 40 by 2 here. Okay, it is not only of the, this is from the main wall, this 40 by 2. So this 40 by 2 is from the this first footing of that. Okay, keep that in mind. So very important. So what happens? So 9.65 minus 40 by 2. 9.65 minus 40 by 2. It is where, here it is the plinth wall width. Okay. So plus 40 by 2 it is for here. So it will give the footing, that is 9.65 the length. So breadth is minus 40 for 20 centimeter wall. Okay. Here, and 20 centimeter is the height, 0.20 multiply, you will get the 0.0. So plinth wall above footing means, plinth wall above footing for the front veranda wall is what? 0.30 meters. See here, this one. Okay, so 9.65 minus 40 by 2 plus 30 by 2. Okay, 9.65 minus 40 by 2 is plinth wall. Okay, so here the plinth wall is what? 30 by 2. So plus 30 by 2. Okay, so you'll get 9.60. So 9.60, what is the breadth? 0.30. So what is the height? 70. Multiply, you'll get 2.02. At the same way, the short wall also 2.25 minus 40 by 2 minus 40 by 2. Okay, and for short wall also 2.25 minus 40 by 2 minus 30 by 2. So what is the length? 1.85, 1.90. So what is the breadth? 0.40 meter and 0.30 meter. Height is 0.20 meter. Height is also 0.70 meter. So just multiply them, you will get the total as 0.15 and 0.40. Okay, this was for the front veranda wall. So the same way we are doing for this bathroom veranda wall, including the bathroom. Okay, here only one changes has been happening, that is, in the bathroom veranda wall we are having two short walls. See here, two short walls. So bathroom veranda wall. So see here, two short walls are there. So this one short wall and this one short wall. Okay, so same for bathroom veranda wall also. What we have to do, that is this one 9.65. Okay, so what is the length will be same. Okay, 9.65. Okay, minus 40 by 2 plus 40 by 2, because the same section. Okay, junction is this for 20 centimeter wall and it is for 30 centimeter wall junction. Okay, so the breadth is 40.40, height is 0.20. So you'll get the quantity. So floor plinth wall also 9.60, 0.30, same as the front veranda wall. See here. Okay, 30.70, you will get the quantity. For short walls, see here, for short walls, so footing is what? So there are two short walls, and what is the center to center length is 2.75. Same, first we have to do for minus 40 by 2, minus 40 by 2. Next, minus 40 by 2, minus 30 by 2. Okay, same. Just you have to go with the concept, you will get the values, the length. Okay, because it is first problem, we may feel difficult, but you, once you go with the concept, no, it will be very easy. Okay, just wherever you come, with that level, with that width, with that height, you have to multiply. Okay, so 2.40 is there, so 0.30 is the width, 0.70 is the height. Multiply them, you will get 1.01. So once we get the total, once we make all the total, we will get the first class brickwork for first footing, second footing, and plinth above wall footing for both main wall and also the veranda wall, that is 44.95 cubic meter. 45.95 cubic meter. So this was about today's session. Okay, if I tell you more, this class will be boring. Okay, so this was about the first class brickwork, and also the lime concrete is over. Next, after the first class brickwork, what we have to do? then DPC will come. That is, so they have already given the thickness, that is what, 2.5 centimeter DPC we have to put. So 2.5 centimeter dam proof course is there, and again first class brickwork is there. Another two items of work have to be done. We'll do in the next session. So thank you, have a good day, please practice, you will get perfect. Okay, so if you not get any point means you can comment it, so I'll solve them later. Thank you, have a good day.